Right, so today we're going to be unboxing this 240Hz monitor by Acer Predator. So I've been using this Samsung 1440p 144Hz for like a year or so, and it does not support PS5 144Hz. So I was like, I should get this one so I can use it on my PC because I've been playing Valorant, and yeah. So it's a 25-inch full HD IPS panel, G-Sync display HDR 400 IPS 0.5 millisecond response time. I don't think it's the proper 0.5 millisecond response time because I've seen some videos. It's like, you have to like, do some settings and it's kind of like, bad, like, too much ghosting, and 240 hertz as I mentioned. So yeah, and I've been using this Kratos, whatever it is, like X to use this, Leviathan X, sorry. Right, so I think I should use this hand. And I bought it from Amazon for like, I don't know, it was like, for me it's like 22,000. In my country it's about like $300 or something. So yeah. Right, so let's see. And trust me, it's not easy unboxing it with this X, trust me. It's kind of tough. Hold on, my plug. And I don't have a knife, and I think this is my first unboxing on my channel, so thumbs up for that. Right, so I have select all the places. Now we can open it. Oh, and the box is quite bigger as I was expecting. I was like, it's a monitor, so it has to be like a smaller one. So we have this is a power cable. I mean, obviously we're gonna be needing this to power it up, and let me just put it back here. And this is, I think it's more like a USB cable, kind of. I don't know what kind of cable is this. It's like, oh, this one is, it works with my keyboard actually, so I'm gonna be using that as well. Right, let's see, what do we have here. I think I might have to, can I pull this off? I think I can. I think I should not because it's kind of wobbly, so I'm just gonna put the phone down for a bit. Alright, so I figured out the whole thing is gonna come off. It's kind of weird because I'm kind of scared for doing that because there's a monitor on the other side. Let's just do it. It's okay, I think so. Hopefully I'm not gonna break anything. Okay, there's the monitor. So this box is actually for the stand. For this is one heavy stand. We're gonna be checking that out later. We have display port cable, HDMI cable. I'm gonna be using the display port because 240Hz does not work over the HDMI, so yeah. And it's the bottom stand. Okay. Manual not needed. And here's the monitor. I don't think I can use it with one hand, so I'm just gonna just assemble the monitor and I'll continue the video. It took me like 1 minute to put the monitor outside of the box. It's kind of heavy though. So first, let's see the stand. This is the base of the stand. It's completely made out of metal. This is solid metal. I don't know, you know what I'm saying. And it's, oh, I can use my hand for this. Good. Now it is time for the stand, the arm, I think. What do we call it? It's a base arm, by the way. It's not just, I think I ripped it off. Okay, never mind. So this is, okay, this looks real amazing. I mean, look at that, the Predator logo. And it's really heavy. So let's just connect with this. I think this is good, and now we have to put this on the monitor. I think that's a very easy part. So let me just, okay. right, so this thing is literally gonna clip on this, so it goes in like this, I think. Okay, oh, that's it. So now we're gonna put the monitor in the place. Oh fuck, it's heavy, I cannot do it with one hand, so I'm just gonna put it on this table. Alright, so I have assembled the monitor. Let me just show you from the back how it looks, and trust me, this looks insane. It's like I've showed you the logo and shit, right? So it's okay. So right now I have to remove this thing. Oop. Okay, this is, it's NVIDIA G-Sync. Right, so and what is this? Okay, never mind this. All the good stuff, G-Sync, display HDR, IPS, 240 Hz. You guys have seen it already, so I'm just gonna remove this. Yeah. So this is the monitor, and this is nice. Like it can go right, left. I think. Yeah. One sec. I have to put this like this. Get this perfect. Not bad actually. This is good.